Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can remove or delete your card details from your Google Chrome. If you have added your card details in your Google Chrome, then it might ask you to repeatedly enter the card details whenever you try to shop online. For example, if I open my Google Chrome and I open any payment form, for example, let's say this, and whenever I try to shop online, it repeatedly gives me the saved card. Now, for any reason, if this card is not valid to you anymore and you don't want this card details to appear here, then to delete it, simply click on this particular button in the prompt. When you click, you will be landed to this particular page. Now, if for some any reason that does not work for you, all you can do is simply go to the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen, then hit the settings button. Then here you can see the autofill and passwords tab. Click on it and you can see the payment methods. Simply click on it and you will go to the same page. Now to delete any payment methods, that means the card, all you need to do is simply click on these three vertical dots. Once you click on it, you can choose to edit it or delete it. To edit it, simply click on the edit button and you will be able to edit the card number, expiration date, name or card nickname, all the information that you have added earlier. Now, if you don't want to edit it and you just want to delete it completely, then what you need to do is click on this delete button. Once you do, it will ask you for a confirmation, and upon clicking the delete button, the card will get deleted. Now, if you will go back to the form and click on it, no information will try to appear, or neither it will ask you to enter any information since you have deleted the card. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.